Hello everyone, today I am here to announce my new batch for the anthropology optional. As you all know, anthropology is a very interesting optional, and let's make it more interesting with me. So let me tell you some interesting facts how we are going to proceed for this optional. So it's going to be for the 3 months. The course duration is going to be 3 months, and let me assure you it's very bounded with the time. I will complete your syllabus in a time bound manner with a very comprehensive coverage of every single topic. I will provide you the class dictated handwritten notes. Why? Because you need to revise more and more, and when you have your handwritten notes which is being dictated by me in the class, then it's going to be very handy for you. Then I will provide you some printed material, so that you can analyze those information and it will help you in the sentence formation. So those printed notes, they are meticulously designed by me, and let me tell you, I will provide you the printed material in this sense that you will get a generic introduction, generic conclusion, and all the material is designed by me in a very answer structured manner. This answer structured manner, it will help you in the answer formation, and you don't need to search for the other resources, other sources like what to read, how to read. You will get the answer structured printed notes with every single topic. Then again, as you can see some demos on the official channel of the Maluka IAS on the YouTube, I will provide you handwritten diagrams. These handwritten diagrams, they will enrich your answers, and these handwritten explanatory diagrams, they are being provided by with the every single topic, and these are being designed by me. I will provide you a Telegram group for your doubt solution. So you will get every doubt clear on every single day. Then again, this group will provide you the current affair which is being related to the every single topic जो भी आ रहा है, जिस भी तरीके से जो भी न्यूज़ में चल रहा है, I will make sure that I will provide you the current affair. Then again, as you all know, anthropology is a very interesting subject, and to make it more and more interesting, I will teach you with some interesting pictures. Let's say, for example, you have to read the Kula ring. So in the Kula ring, that is being a ceremonial exchange, I will show you the kind of exchange they used to do in that particular time period. Because what I feel, with the pictorial diagrams, with the pictorial things, you will basically think about that particular time period. उस time period के बारे में सोच के आप उन सब चीज़ों को visualize करोगे, and with that visualization, it would be very easy for you to digest the information. Then again, daily answer writing, and I will make sure this answer writing in the classroom only. So in every class, before starting for the next class, I will give you one questions and will provide you 15 minutes so that you will be very consistent with the daily answer writing. And this course will include the test series as well. You will get the regular sectional test and the regular full length test. So it's going to be a win-win situation for you. So just enroll for the anthropology optional, and if you want to take the demo, you can call on the following number, and the class timing for Monday, that is 3rd October, is 2 PM. So do join the demo class and make your UPSC preparation more and more interesting. Thank you so much.